What up, cheese overlays? Welcome back to another video. Y'all, today we got a vegetarian meal. I got some vegetarian chicken patties and I got some vegetarian I want to say nuggets, but I think they said buffalo wings. They call them wings, but they look like this. These don't look like wings to me, but anyway. Don't forget to check the link down below for the coldest water bottle. Use code Marqeaseh in all caps for 10% off your entire order. I place it right up there. Y'all, we gonna pray we finna get it in, y'all. I don't know how this finna go. I ain't never tasted this brand before. I think it's morning stuff. I don't know, but we finna try. Father God, thank you for this food I'm about to see. I thank you, Lord, for the hands that prepared it. I thank you, Lord, for the people that haven't seen to eat this. You'll supply them and they cut shall run us over. In Jesus' name, pray, amen. I was gonna call it vegan, but it's not vegan because it's not vegan cheese or vegan mayo. So I decided to do vegetarian. Y'all look at this. I got mayo and cheese on there, and I also got some sauce on the side if I decide to put it on there. I also got Polynesian sauce for my buffalo wings. They would say buffalo wings. Alright, y'all, let's kick this bite. Okay. Okay, morning star. I have to be real careful because some of them plant-based stuff be tasting. It's doable right now. I can do that. Yep, I can do this. So how y'all doing today? What y'all eating on? Comment down below. Y'all shoot the inside of it. Pretty good. Let's taste this wing, y'all. You what I'm about to get to taste. Wait a minute. Okay. Oh, they got a kick to it. I know it said buffalo, but damn. Oh. They got a little kick to it right now. Okay. I like them. Alright, morning star. It's still been in my freezer. I'm supposed to be trying it. Got to clean the freezer out. And seen them. I'm so old. Let me taste these. Good. That's good. It's really good, y'all. That's good. They got the consistency of a chicken nugget too. They do. I think it's called Buffalo Wings by Morningstar. I think it said wings on them. I'm pretty sure it said wings. Wait a minute. Really good. Y'all comment down below if I ever tried these. They're not new, but it's just new to me because I ain't never tried them. But I didn't know you were there. Oh, yeah. Now the chicken patty and the nugget, I mean the nuggets or whatever it's called, they are vegan, but I just didn't call this a vegan mukbang because I got the regular cheese and mayo on them. Oh. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Go try the Morningstar buffalo wing. I might try to put a picture of him in the chicken patties by Morningstar too. Like I said, they are vegan. It was a vegetarian meal, but it wasn't a vegan meal because I had the cheese and the mayo on my sandwiches, and it wasn't vegan cheese or vegan mayo. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Until next time, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Hit the notification bell to be notified whenever we or I upload videos. If you ain't already cheesed up at family member, go ahead and hit that bell and hit subscribe. Peace.
Lately you've been acting so strange. You